Hey guys, I'm Brittany with the Okotoks Fire Department. I'm here to talk to you today about kitchen safety and cooking on the stove. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that our stove is cleaned, that we don't have anything on it that could start on fire. We also want to make sure underneath the grill and inside of our oven has been cleaned, especially if we had something in there recently that's burned or spilled over. The next thing we can check is that we don't have anything flammable or anything that can start up on an open flame near our stove. So if you do, just make sure you move those a safe distance away, or better yet, put them under a cupboard. We recommend an ABC fire extinguisher for you guys to carry in your kitchen. You can use this extinguisher for any kind of combustible in your kitchen. It's always a good idea to keep it somewhere close to the stove. We'll talk about pots and pans, how we can keep our little ones safe. Ideally, we want to keep small children at least 1 meter away from your oven or open flames, especially while you're cooking. Another good idea is to turn your pot and pan handles in so they can't grab them. And then lastly, we want to make sure we always have a lid. In case something does start on fire, it's a really good idea right away, turn off your stove and put a lid on it. I hope you guys stay safe and enjoy your cooking. Take care.